Hello viewers, welcome to back my YouTube channel Crochet Lovers. So viewers, how are you? I hope you all is fine. You will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet shoulder bags designs. Before starting the video, I request of all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel Crochet Lovers first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to your people, and if you like today videos and share it with to your friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys. So I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers now how to did the work yourself, and if you guys do, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such videos. Amazing very videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel I am very helpful that you like my videos and good comment. Please let me know comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribe my YouTube channel Crochet Lovers. Thanks my dear watching. Take care.